right, let us be festive and start making Christmas brownies. I have not baked in like 3 years. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but I found this recipe on, no, I didn't find the recipe on TikTok. I found the brownies on TikTok and I thought those are really cute. I'm gonna make those. And it looks super simple too. See? That's the goal for today. I don't know if we're gonna get there, but we're gonna hope for the best. Brownie mix. So I think I'm gonna make the brownies first and then the icing while the brownies are baking, even though I'm not sure if this is the right size. Add the mix and eggs. So it's this, the 2 eggs, stir with the spatula for about 30 seconds, add milk, butter, vanilla, mix it. Hello? Oh, and I got dark chocolate chips too, because I don't know if there's like little chippets with like the brownie mix, but I really like it when brownies have that. Oh, I think there might be. Are those chippets? Oh, it does have some. Okay, then I just bought that for no reason. That's fine. We'll use it for something else. Okay, just gonna dump this whole thing. Being home after like 3 months of not living here has been so different. Like, you know how people make fun of other people who like all of a sudden forgets how to drive when like a sprinkle of snow starts? I think I've become that person. I don't know, last time I drove in snow was literally last year, and even then like I kept traveling, so I didn't really get to drive that much. So for the past year I've just been like away traveling. I've always been in like sunnier cities, and Vancouver too doesn't really snow that much, so it's just been raining or it's just dry and gloomy. And I come to Alberta and the roads are slippery. There was a 100-car pileup literally 4 days ago. The cold here in Alberta has been so different from the cold in Vancouver. Like, it'd be plus 10 degrees in Vancouver, but like minus 30 here, and I'd be wearing the same layers. Okay, add the melted butter. I'm not gonna lie, my butter's not very melted. I hope this is 1/3. No! We're cooked. It's not enough. Okay, I need to melt more butter. Guys, it's still not enough. No! Okay, I'm gonna have to melt some more. Should I just put this whole thing down? I bet you it's not enough. No. Okay, I'm actually done. I should have just poured the entire thing here. This is it. All or nothing. Okay, finally, I feel like that's closer to enough. Yo, that low-key already looks good. I don't know if you can see it. Ta-da! And it smells good too. I feel like the beginning of where this all went wrong came from the butter to begin with, because yo, that tastes good. All right, let's put her in the oven. Timer for 25 minutes. Okay, time to make the icing. We're gonna figure this out together. I think this will be the biggest challenge for the day. I'm trying to pour the second batch of powder, and this is just, I don't know if you can see this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to do it without the meringue powder. Meringue. Oh, I cannot find the tablespoons. Should I just do an actual regular tablespoon? Oh, I feel like the first one wasn't enough. Okay, maybe just a little more. This is where it goes wrong. Sift, 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 sift. This is a workout for me right now. Okay, this is taking forever.
2 hours later.
Oh my god, finally. And vanilla. Where's the hot tube? Oh, there you are. Wait. Vanilla flavor, vanilla extract. You know what? Moving on. It's the same thing, right? Okay, we're gonna try this mixture for the first time ever. So I put it down, right? And then I lock it. And then I start it. Okay. I swear if everything starts flying away. Okay. Okay, so if it's too thick, add half a teaspoon of water at a time, and if it's too thin, add more powdered sugar. Like, this is too dry. Okay, and let's start again. Not so sure how to fix this. It looks so good. Guys, she looks perfect. Okay, we still gotta lock in on the icing. We're gonna start with red. I'm gonna scoop this much icing into here. Right? And then you kind of just like mix it. Here she is. Okay. She's cute. We can work with this. Oh, how do I use this? You put it here. And then it's to the inside, not the outside. Does it go from the inside and then you like cover it with it? Sure. Oh, guys, the corners are kind of. Okay, just do this. There you go. Easy. Oh, I'm ready to decorate my first tree. Let's do this. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. Guys, I'm doing it. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, we need a lot more. I underestimated how much icing I actually need. She's so cute. But guys, I'm so happy with this right now. I can't believe I'm actually doing it. And it tastes good. How's the icing? Icing tastes good too. Yo, we're killing it. I think I just found the perfect consistency for this icing. And it's looking good. I'm actually very happy with this right now. This looks perfect. Scoop all this into the piping bag. I haven't even cut out my brownies into squares yet. I should probably do that. Okay, time to make the green ones. I'm so happy with the success of this so far because I did not think they would turn out at least even like similar to what they were supposed to look like, and I'm so happy that they are. Okay, I kind of want to try it first. It smells really good. There's like leftovers from this. Okay, let's try these brownies. That is so fire. So happy we actually locked in. Like this is a crazy achievement right now. I don't think you guys understand. Like this was hard for me. This is something I've never done before. And to succeed on the first try. Also, mixing food coloring is so fun. Like I really feel like a kid. Like you know when you used to play cooking games about like play pretend, except we're not playing pretend. This is like for real, for real. This is the green. I don't know if I should make it darker. I feel like, or should I keep it like light and festive? Because it's like, yeah, I think I like that. This is a cute green, and it's like bright too. I did want it like nice and bright. Okay, we got one more start. Hello. There we go. Send it all down at the bottom. Wait, should I cut it first? I'm gonna cut this part first. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot believe this has finally come to an end. We made it. Look at this. She looks beautiful and perfect. I'm so happy. I already took a bite from one of the defects that I made. Gosh, it tastes so good. I wouldn't lie to y'all either. Like, if what I'm making doesn't taste good, actually say it. Call me chef right now. Thank you so much for coming along with me and having to deal with all this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully another vlog will come up soon again because I do need to make more of these. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.